Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. You're Allah's chosen one.
Never look at those who are more fortunate than you in life. Look at those who are less fortunate than you in life. This is better for you, he said, أَلَّا تَزْدَرُوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ, so that you will not be ungrateful for what Allah has already blessed you. You know this on television, this marketing world, it has placed a disease in us. This disease of want, not need, want. I've got to have that particular thing on television. Children today, spoiled. I've got to have that iPod. I've got to have that new PlayStation. I've got to have that. I've got to have that. I've got to have that. Women and men wailing, and we've got to have this. We've got to compete in that way. Look at so-and-so, what they have in their house. We should get like them. And families are splitting apart. Competition about worldly things. And they forget that there are people who are deprived of being able to even drink water in their day, who don't know whether they're going to survive till the next day, such as the tsunami in Indonesia. When I visited those orphans, wallahi, I cried night and day, drinking from filthy water. You should see where they're sleeping, wallahi. None of us here would let if they had a cow, they wouldn't let their cow sleep there where they're sleeping, but they couldn't do anything.